I'm back at it again with another YouTube video, you guys, and me and Darren have collabed with Megalook hair company, you guys. Super bomb, you guys. I freaking love this packaging. First of all, it's pink. You guys know it's my favorite color. So you guys, look, when you open it, hold on, I'm trying to show you this. Okay, so when you open it, you guys, they gave me like a headband. This is super cute. And then they gave you like a package, like what the heck, like yeah, it says okay. So they give you a package that comes with a wig cap. It comes with your edge brush, okay, period. And then it comes with the like a little wristband, like that was so nice. Yes, thank you. And it comes with some tweezers so you can so you can pluck your wig, girl. So you can pluck your wig. And yes, and it comes with a clip though. A clip though. Like, period. Yeah. Okay, so you guys, this is a wig here, you guys, and this is a 10-inch 13 by 6 deep wave 10-inch 13 by 6 wig, you guys. And this is so bomb, you guys. And it's curly, as you can tell, so it's gonna look super bomb. But I think we're gonna try to straighten this so you guys can see a deep wave turned into straight, you guys. And you guys, this is some really good hair quality as well, you guys. It's super bomb. Like, yes sis, period sis, whatever. So we're about to get started on the install right now. I'm already braided up and I have my wig cap on, so don't judge me, y'all. And yeah, let's get this video started, you guys. Are putting the glue on the cap right now so it can get the scalp illusion, you know. So you feel me? We're doing a glue, we're putting glue on this wig, you guys. Other wigs that you guys have seen me do in the past, it was a glueless wig, but this wig today is a glue. What do they call it?
One, two, three, let's go.
So right now, you guys, we are putting foundation on the cap so we can match. So it could look like my scalp, right? That's the point of that, if you never knew. Just put you on. You guys probably already knew that. I don't do hair like this, so I wouldn't. So yeah. 1, 2, 3, let's go. You guys, so yes, I've always wanted some short hair. Like, yes sis, period sis. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Yes.
Yeah.
Period, y'all. So I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, Darren did his thing once again. Okay, y'all see that? And I showed you guys how to do this look because I know in the last video, or like 2 videos ago, when we did a hair installment on the long hair, you guys was like, how did you do that swoop, all of that? So I showed you guys that part. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the drill. Everything will be in the description box below. And that's what's poppin'. That's what's good. So I hope y'all like this video. And girl is out of here. Bye. Is it recording? Is it recording?
Now it is. Wait, it's blurring. Okay, now.
Hi YouTube, I love you YouTube. Bye YouTube.